Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can unblock someone on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Right here, you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games and also media. And here in the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to unblock someone on the PlayStation 5, go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account, family and parental control, system, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and accounts. And then right here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, and so on. Go ahead and click on privacy. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find view and customize your privacy settings. Adjust privacy settings by choosing a profile, data you provide, personalization, voice data collection. Go ahead and click on view and customize your privacy settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So go ahead and scroll down until you find players you're blocking. Go ahead and click right here. And then as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find all of the players you blocked. And if you want to unblock a player, it's pretty easy. Just go to their name and then just go ahead and click on unblock here in the right. So once you click on unblock, the player will be directly unblocked. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.